Hey, what's up guys? You have a GoPro Hero 7 Black and you cannot take off the lens. I'm going to show you how to get it off. Okay, so the first time I tried to take this lens off, I couldn't do it with my bare hands, and I tried for like over a day and had sore fingers and hands. Now the thing is, if it's stuck, GoPro actually sells like a little device that's like $6. I'll put a link below where you can get it, but you can just pry it in and then you can go ahead and twist it from there. But I didn't have time for it to get it delivered. So I read a forum and they said go ahead and use 2 credit cards. Some people took 3 credit cards to get it off, and this actually like worked. So basically what I did was, in order to take it off with your fingers, you need to just pull out and then twist it counterclockwise. So I'm going to go ahead and push it out like this, out, and then I'm going to twist it, out, and then give it a twist. See, now I can see it like that. Now it's starting to twist. Now I can go ahead and pop it out. See, I can take it off with my hands now because I did it one time with a credit card. Now it's easier. Anyways, let me go ahead and put this back in here, and we're going to go ahead and use the credit card. Anyways, I show you how to put it back in. Now, when you put it back in, you have these 2 metal bars right here, okay? So it needs to go on like this, okay? It doesn't matter if it's like this or we can go like this, because you see these 2 little lips right here, that lip right there and that lip right there, it's going to go under this metal spring. So again, it doesn't matter if we put it like this or like this. Now, the thing is, what you have to do is just like lay it on top here and then move it like a little bit clockwise and then push in until it goes in all the way like this. And now I can go ahead and twist it to lock it back on. So push it in, it goes flat. Yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and twist it like that. And you can see it's on perfectly. Sometimes I did it where one side wasn't on. I had to just go ahead and pull it off. Anyways, I had to pull it off and put it back on. Anyways, if you cannot get yours undone and it's stuck, this is what you need to do. Grab yourself a credit card. Probably best to get one that's no good, because I did originally I did bend one of my cards like a little bit. Anyways, just see, what you have to do is open it like a little bit, okay? So if you grab it, you can probably see like a little bit. You see that little bit of space open up right there? A little tiny bit of space, see? Anyways, go ahead and grab your card. And the first time I did it, I really had to play with it. Kind of really get in there and just make sure you don't mess up that rubber housing. Okay, there we go. See, look, I got this part like in right now, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that in like that. And then I had to get another credit card here. It still wouldn't budge like this, okay, with my bare hands. Now I had to get another credit card, and I went to put it on the other side here, just like that. And then some people had to actually even put a 3rd credit card in there, okay? Anyways, I have 2 in there right now. You can see how it's like opened up a little bit. And now I can go ahead and try to twist it. Okay, it's not twisting now still, because it still needs to come out a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go down a little bit more. I'm just trying to get it in there. You know what? Let me just go 3 credit cards then. I'm going to go ahead and slip it down here too. I don't want to ruin that. Ooh, that outside layer right there. Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I got 3 credit cards in here. And let's go ahead and see if, okay, yeah, now it's turning. It just turned like a little tiny bit. As you can see right there, I can just pull these out now. Now you can see it finally comes out. Boom. Again, don't forget, these metal bars need to be on the sides, okay? We can put it like that, or we can flip it over like that. This little lip here on both sides needs to get underneath there. So to close it again, just lay it on top like this even, right? And then turn it to the left, clockwise a little bit, and find it where you're able to push all the way down, flush like that, and then go ahead and turn it clockwise. And you're back in business. Whew, good luck.